you at? Okay, I've been waiting for 2 hours to disappear, people. High school. Please teleport me, not ban me. You. Yes! Alright. We're in the school, but I can't open these doors. Oh my god, let me go. Let me go, let me go. I'm gonna teleport in the top. Sorry, I lied. So, I wish this video gets viral. Oh, this avalanche. An avalanche. Avalanche. I'm gonna help him. Oh my god, that is all. Hello guys. You know what? I just teleported here. Secret item. I'm just doing this. Really? Is this real? Is this? Bro, I'm just turning into a noob. Really? Is this real? That thing is just annoying. No items needed. I ain't going to school. Nope, I just failed. Ah, you stupid idiot. Yeah, I'm just going viral. Yep. Oh, yeah, I hate that. Come on. Jabon. No. Yes. No. Who is this guy? Yeah. Bakit? Bro, don't mind the noise, please. Okay, 1 kill strike. No. No. Thank you guys. You will be presented as a general to my gang. Special thanks from that person. The hell is going on? Kill strike number 2. Kill strike number 3. Am I lagging? Or PLDT just lags? Bacon! What? Is Team Bacon Angel? I can't read your jumping. Bro, are you hurting my friend's feeling? Don't try and destroy me, or just gonna be a mob. How did it happen? No! I'm gonna be teleported to another game. I just found this. Why am I Roblox and headless? Please don't ban me for No! That admin check for Shadow. Is Amber a real person? I don't know. I don't really know. Second. Really? Banana is real? Please don't slap me for this. This is my video ends, so we'll meet the next video.